Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to put a Chevy Silverado backseat down. This simple process can significantly increase your truck's cargo capacity, making it perfect for hauling larger items or securing your gear. We will explore the typical locations of the release mechanisms and guide you through the steps to fold the seat, whether it folds flat or up. Understanding these techniques will help you utilize your Silverado's interior space more effectively for any adventure or task. To begin, locate the release mechanism for your rear seat. In many Silverado models, this is a small strap or a lever found at the top of the seat back. For other configurations, you might find a pull strap or a handle along the bottom edge of the seat cushion. If your truck has a split folding rear seat, remember that each section, such as the 60/40 split, will have its own individual release. Once you have located the release, pull it firmly to disengage the seat's locking mechanism. For seats that fold down, gently push the seat back forward until it rests flat, creating a level cargo area. If your seat folds up, lift the seat bottom upward until it locks into place, providing open floor space. Always confirm the seat is securely in its new position before driving. With your rear seat folded, you now have significantly more interior cargo space. This expanded area is ideal for transporting items like a bicycle, several large boxes, or even a dog kennel. Before folding, always remove any loose objects from under or around the seat to prevent damage. When loading, secure your cargo with tie-downs or a cargo net to ensure nothing shifts unexpectedly while you are on the road.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.